Product Opportunity Explorer's Customer Review Insights offers valuable information to help with product research. This tool analyzes customer feedback from the past 6 months to help you identify valued product features and common issues to consider when developing or improving products in the Amazon store. You can look at customer reviews in either Niche View or ASIN View. Select the niche or product you want to see insights for and go to the Customer Review Insights tab. The Niche Customer Review Insights page aggregates customer reviews from top-performing products within a category, helping you identify common themes across similar items. The ASIN Customer Review Insights tab focuses on customer feedback for a specific product. For either view, you can switch between positive topics or negative topics to see snippets of customer feedback organized by topic and frequency. For an ASIN's Insights, you'll see how often a topic was mentioned for the parent ASIN, as well as links to child ASINs where that topic appears in reviews. Below the Customer Review Insights section, you'll see 2 interactive visualizations. The Topic Impact of Star Rating chart illustrates how customer feedback themes affect product ratings for a niche or a product. Use the toggle options to compare different metrics and analyze performance. For example, if value for money consistently boosts ratings, you might want to prioritize that experience in your product design and instructions. The Customer Review Topic Mentions Trends graph shows how often certain topics are being mentioned over time. This view can help you see if a specific issue is improving or not, or whether customer priorities are shifting. Select a topic from the drop-down and use the toggle options to focus your analysis. Analyzing returns data alongside review insights can also help you identify valuable patterns in customer behavior. On the Niche Details page, select the Returns tab to view the most common return reasons in a niche organized by topic. In the Topic Returns Trend chart, select any topic to track how its return reasons change over time. With this information, you can proactively address common customer concerns for your products or listings.